Welcome back to another episode on the Scania 143. You'll probably notice a few changes have happened since the last video. We've now got our wheel arches all nicely painted. Got the step pods, tread plates even, all painted up, top and bottom. We've got our super singles on there now with all freshly painted rims, brand new tyres. We are going to be putting some new wheel nuts on there. So I'm just about to start painting these front hubs in red. Again, all nicely painted. Tread plates on. Super singles. Freshly painted rims on this side as well. We've got the rest of our rear wheels over here. Again, these have all been painted. Tyres just want a bit of a wipe around to get some of the dust off. These look good. These are all our outer rims. So I'm going to get this jacked up. Start putting these rims on the back end. A few bits to move out the way first. Got to get this wheel arch out the way. And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting this up. We're going to be getting it outside, giving it a wash, getting all this dust off it. It's gathered quite a lot of dust since it's been sitting here for the past couple of months, getting worked on. So give it a good wash off, and then I'm going to get into the interior and start cleaning out some of this dust, what's in there. Again, it's gathered quite a lot of dust in here over the months. So all this wants redoing, cleaning out. We're going to be doing that, and then we're going to start looking at putting our top lockers in and our A-pillar trims, and start getting these doors finished off, start getting some interior in it. So that is the front hubs painted, hubcaps painted. I think that looks pretty well now. She's looking like a truck again. Back wheels on. Set them all in the right place so all the tyres go in the right direction. There are nice freshly painted rims now on the truck. Take you around here. And this front is also done. Same again. It's amazing how much difference just something so little as that can make to the appearance of it. Made a massive difference, that. Along with the nice chunky super singles on the front as well. So we're just about ready for getting it started up. We're going to pull it outside, wash some of this dust off it, get down the back of the bodies here with the jet wash and stuff. It's getting caked in dust. And then we are going to do a couple of walk around videos, get a couple of pictures while it's outside, because this will be the first time it's come out in about 6 months.
circulate. She in a green velvet box to make it percolate. And I just hope they play me never and they play this forever. Put my family on so we could.
So she's back indoors now, nice and clean. First wash it's had since it was painted. Just nice to get all that dust off it. It does pile up pretty quickly. And obviously it's a working garage, so nice and clean again. Bit of a close-up on these wheels. And they look really well. Massive difference. So not really much in the way of an update on this one. Just sort of thought we'd give you a little look at this outside in the daylight. It's the first time we've actually seen it outside in the daylight. Looks completely different out there. Looks absolutely fantastic. So the next stage on this is going to be, we're going to be putting the top lockers in, as I've said earlier. Start getting this interior put back together, crack on with this wiring, and hopefully get you some good footage. And hopefully it should come along pretty quickly now. And we're also going to be dealing with this front bumper and doing a bit of a brainstorming session as to what we're actually going to do with that to make it look a little bit more appealing to the eye, because at the moment it looks a little bit nasty. So there we have it, guys. One last little walk around for you indoors. She's got a shine back on her now, she's clean. Nice new wheels on. All the chassis is washed off, nice and shiny red again. Lovely. So if you're not subscribed, please do. Plenty more videos to come on this channel yet. We do also have a Mark II channel, Retro Restoration Garage Mark II, where we're going to be uploading some different content on there. Still keeping with the restoration theme, but we're going to be doing a lot more sort of behind the scenes stuff, some of our day-to-day stuff on there, and a lot more live streams on there as well. So again, if you're not subscribed to that channel, please head over to Retro Restoration Garages Mark II and get subscribing. Don't forget to hit that bell icon. Keep up to date with the most recent video uploads. We'll catch you all next time.